Exercise 6.3 on logarithms. The amount A in account after t years after the initial principal P invested at an annual rate R, compounded continuously, is given by A equals P to the power of PE to the power of RT, where R is expressed as decimal. 20,000 is invested, so P equals 20,000, and it is invested with a compound continuous interest rate of 0.8 or 8%, so 0.08 is R. Is that what you did? Yeah. Okay. The bank returns 25,000 with compound interest. How long was the money in the bank? Correct to one decimal place. A is 25,000, and as Rory rightly said, you're looking to isolate T. Okay, so we're going to say 20,000 e to the 0.08 t. Your whole goal is to isolate t. Bring the 20,000 down. 25,000 divided by 20,000. Pretty sure that's 5/4. Okay, now you're at this stage here. The t is still in the power position. Okay, Frank, Connor. You then do ln both sides. Then you bring the 0.08t to the front. 0.08t ln e. We all know that ln e is 1. And then we have ln 5/4. What we got to do next is we divide ln 5/4 by 0.08. Okay? And then we use our calculator. And what do we get for that?
2.79, 2.8.
2.79 years for T.
2.8.
And you want 2.8 from that. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Next one, okay. The number of bacteria present in a culture after T minutes is given by B to the power of 100 EKT. B is the number of bacteria. It's got to be, okay. So there's 5,287 is B. That equals 100 to the power of then it's E. We have to find out what K is, and we know that it's K times 13, so it's going to be 13K, right? So you're going to do the same method as last time. What you're going to do is you're going to divide by 100 first, and when you divide by 100 you should get a... Sorry?
Stays as 5/100.
But is it? Oh, does it? Oh yeah, you're right. 5,287 divided by 100. I was going to put in decimals, that's the same thing though. Okay, and then 13k, ln both sides. 13k goes to the front. 13k ln e. ln e is 1. So then what we're going to do at the end here is we're just going to divide ln 5287 over 100, and all of whatever that is, it's going to be in brackets, and you're going to divide it by 13. What you get when you do that?
6.7.
K equals?
Oh, sorry, that's the next question.
What is it?
0.305.
0.304. Is that how many decimals we want?
305.
305. Okay. 0.305. Okay. How many people got that? Just out of interest? Alright. Majority there, so well done. Does that what I asked you to do?
That's the answer in the back of the book.
No, it's just 0.0305 minutes. You could deliver it in seconds if you want by multiplying by 60. You're allowed to do that. But it's no reason, you could just leave it as minutes.
Is that time? Is that
yeah. Sorry, K. Sorry, no, sorry. Stephen, K isn't time, it's just a constant, so you have to leave it like that. You're not getting time on its own, you're getting K on its own. Yeah, you're right about that, Adam. Okay? Alright, guys. John purchased a car for 5,800. After T years, its value is given by the exponential function V equals 5,800.8 to the power of T. Okay? John decides to replace his car when its value has declined to 500. Decline not by 500, but to 500. Now, be aware that they could manipulate that question by using the word by instead of to. By would mean you're going to be using 5,300, but to means you're using 500 over the other side. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your 5,800 down, it should break up into a fraction of 5 over 58 equals 0.8t. Then we're going to ln both sides. ln 5 over 58 equals ln 0.8t. Bring the t to the front. Then we're going to get t ln 0.8 and am I missing an e?
No, there's no e.
in this question.
Oh,
Yeah,
interesting. Okay,
That's really good.
still no bother. This question, all we got to do is bring down the ln at 0.8. So it's going to be ln 5 over 58 divided by ln 0.8. And what's that in your calculator? Anybody get this one?
11.
10,
Yeah, it's 10.975, but it's 11 years.
Sorry, I'm really confused with that. Give me just one person. What do you say?
It's 0.10775.
775.
And it rounds up to 11 years.
I think your calculator went wrong there. It should be 10 already if it rounds up to 11. 10.98, that's the one. It's 10.98 rounding up to 11. Okay? 11 years, right? Okay guys, that is the end of